Very good morning, dear students. Today in EVS class, I am going to start our last chapter, that is chapter 15, and the name is Water, Importance and Uses. So all of you please open your EVS book, open page number 131 and watch the video very properly. Try to understand what I am explaining here. So let's start. Dear students, water is very important for our survival, isn't it? Means all living beings need water to live. Without water, we can't live so long. So water is very much important for our living. Okay, for all living beings, water is very necessary, very important. Okay, so in this chapter, we will know about importance and uses of water. Okay. So, after explanation of the chapter, we will able to know about uses of water, then sources of water, then water supply, then conservation of water, then saving and storing water. Here you can see some pictures given on uses of water, means the girl is drinking, here bathing, here washing clothes, and here watering the plants. So, these are the uses of water. Here see written, we cannot survive without water, means we cannot live so long without water. Okay, it is necessary for all living creatures. It is necessary means very much important for all living creatures or living organisms, or you can say all living beings need water, or water is very necessary for all living beings. Let us take a look at the most important uses of water. So, some important uses of water given. What are these? We will know from this. Okay. So, here you can see we use water for different purposes. So, in various purposes we are using water, isn't it? So, first one is water is sometimes referred to as the drink of life. We can say water as our life drink, means water is very important like our life. Okay, in our life water is many important, or many more very much important. Okay, most important thing is this: drinking water is necessary for our survival. So if we want to live healthy life, or that means drinking water is very much necessary or very much important for our living. Okay, next page you can see we also need water for cooking food, washing clothes, then bathing and keeping our houses clean. So these are the uses of water. We all know that cooking food, water is needed to cook food, water is needed for washing clothes, water is needed for bathing and keeping our houses clean. Other cleanliness also we use water. Okay, next is water is needed for growing crops. Crops, you can say whatever we take as our food. These are called crops, like rice, wheat, gram, etc., etc. Fruits, vegetables also. So water is here also important. Okay. So without water, plant is not grow anymore. They cannot live also. So water is very important for them also. Next is, in many factories, water is needed to produce things we use. Some things are there produced in factory, and they are also needed water, like Maggi, like other products. Water is needed to make these products. So factory products or packet food, whatever we are taking, this is also made by using water. Next is, electricity is generated at a large scale by using water. Electricity also generated means produced with the help of water, or by electricity is produced. So this is also we are using. Okay, so what if water is not there, then this work is not possible. Next is, rivers, seas and oceans are crucial for water transport. Crucial, you can say important. Okay, so rivers, seas and oceans are very much important for what? Water transport. Water transport, you can say boat, ship, etc. Okay, so water transport means traveling through this transport on water. These are called water transport. They are used for transportation of people and goods from one place to another. Transportation means, you can say, carrying carrying to people as well as goods from one area to another area, okay, through water transport or through water. Next is water bodies are also the sources of fish and many food items. Not only fish, we all know that fish is living in water. We are getting fish from water bodies. So not only fish, other water animals also there. Suppose crabs, snail, etc. Some people take this food also, similar to fish. Okay, and they also take fish and other seafood and water bodies food they are taking as their food. Okay, so that's why water bodies are very much important for them to live. Okay, next is there are many water sports. Water sports, you can say game or played in water, on water. There are many water sports played in water such as rafting. Rafting, you can say a recreational water sport, okay, a recreational game, played on water, played in water, played on a flat structured board is called raft board. So this rafting is played on the raft board and on water. Then swimming, you know that what is swimming. Then surfing is similar to this. This also a water sport, and surfboard like raft board, surfboard also there, but this is played on the sea waves, okay, etc. These are the water sport played on water bodies. Some rivers like the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and the Godavari, these are the sacred river, okay, means people are very much obeying these rivers, okay, and they are believe that some people in India believe that these are the goddess river, okay. River means spiritual importance are there, spiritual, you can say god related, okay, god related rivers are these three: Ganga, Brahmaputra and Godavari. Some people do some pujas on the river, okay, and offering water to God, okay. So that's why this is called sacred rivers. Have great cultural and spiritual importance in India. So in Indian people very much believe that they are like God, okay, our God or goddess. That's why they are offering puja, offering fruits, water, etc. Means do puja on the water bodies. Water bodies like rivers are also at the core of many festivals. Core, you can say center point. Okay, many festivals center is these water bodies. Okay, like boat race in Kerala. Kerala's boat race is very popular, very famous, and Chhat Puja in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. In our area also we can see Chhat Puja. People are offering water to sun, God, sun, and they are believing that these river water bodies are purifying and cleaning the powers and destroy our bad power. Okay, that's why they are offering puja to God on the water bodies. So up to this much for today. I hope you understood about this. Next day I will discuss about next topics. Okay.